This method of making money with ChatGPT won't work for long, so I highly recommend to watch this video until the very end and directly get into work after that. In this video, you are going to learn how you can make $900 a day with you only copying and pasting. You will learn how to complete other school tasks with ChatGPT doing all the work, with you getting money in return. So, by the end of this video, you will be able to use ChatGPT to complete assignments on School Solver and earn as much money as you want. You will not only learn to answer some specific questions, but also learn how to answer any type of question on that platform. You can easily earn $100 an hour with this method. So I highly recommend you watch this video until the very end, because this could make you a lot of money. And remember, this method won't work for long. Many people believe earning passive income is very difficult because it requires a significant upfront investment, specialized skills, or a large network. However, others argue that with the right strategies and mindset, anyone can create a reliable stream of passive income. I mostly agree with the second part. That's the reason I am bringing you specialized methods that you can use to start earning. In this method, you will only answer questions with the help of ChatGPT on School Solver and earn an easy $500 to $1,000 a day. Too easy, right? So for this method, you only need 2 websites. The first website you need is the one and only ChatGPT, which answers all your questions in the best way. You just have to give the best prompts and it will write you anything. Anything! The second website you will need is www.schoolsolver.com, which is a website that connects students with tutors who can help them with their homework and assignments. Students can post questions or problems they need help with, and tutors can bid on the opportunity to answer the question or solve the problem. The platform covers a wide range of subjects, from maths and science to languages and history, and offers both one-on-one tutoring and group sessions. School Solver, as you can see here, is mentioned on all these platforms, which further adds to its authenticity. Now that we know what we need, how do we utilize these to earn passive income? Well, don't worry, we are just getting started. The first thing you need to do is sign up for a free account on School Solver. You can simply register on the platform by clicking over the register in the top right corner. The registration process is really simple, and you can register via Gmail for more convenience. Remember to take some quizzes as part of the process, and then you can use the platform for free. After you log into School Solver, you can see the platform as this. Here you can see a lot of things about the platform, such as My School Solver, Ask a Question, or Answer a Question, etc. Well, for this video, we are only concerned with answering the questions, so I would want you to click over it. After clicking over the Answer a Question, you will find lots of questions waiting to be answered for a price. Here, you can see the first question about biology, and it is the most urgent with a price answer of 50 cents. This is a small price, but below you can find more questions like this for different prices. So don't worry, in front of every question, you can see the due date. So make sure you keep track of that. Also, you can search for specific questions by using this Sort By button. After clicking over it, you can filter your search and find the kind of questions you want to answer. Let's suppose I want to answer the question about psychology here. What you need to do is click on the question and copy the question from here and paste it into ChatGPT like this. And it will generate a wonderful answer like this. Pretty easy, right? Now you can copy your answer from here and add it as your answer on the School Solver. You will earn when the person who has asked the question buys your answer. Wasn't that just super easy? Well, this is not all. You don't have to answer a specific question to earn money. With ChatGPT on your side, you can answer any type of question. For example, if you want to answer a question related to biology, you can simply search it by adding the necessary information to the filter, like this. First of all, you will choose the category and then the price you want. After this, you can add the dates and apply. This way, you will get all the related questions posted in this time frame with the desired price. After filtering the question, you can see we found this question. Now, what you got to do is copy the question again and go to ChatGPT and paste it over there, and it will generate the answer likewise. So again, you can copy the answer from here and add it as your answer on the School Solver platform under the question. The person who has posted the question will see your answer, and if the person purchases it, your account will be credited with the amount paid. You can try this as a way of generating answers for every kind of question, and the ChatGPT will answer it. Let us try it one more time with a difficult question. All you need to do is filter the question this time for C programming questions like this, and you will find questions related to it. For example, you pick this question and want to test ChatGPT if it can answer it. All you need to do is preview and copy the question again like this and ask ChatGPT for the answer, and it will generate the answer in a few seconds. Wow! Now you can copy the answer from here and paste it over the School Solver to get paid. You can try this method of adding and answering multiple questions a day and earn hundreds of dollars a day. The fun part of this method is that you don't have to answer a specific question, but you can answer any question that's on the platform. With ChatGPT and School Solver, you can make hundreds of dollars a day by offering your knowledge and expertise to students in need. Whether you're a tutor, academic writer, or simply knowledgeable in a particular subject, you can easily earn money by helping students succeed. Sign up today and start earning. Now, to recap what we've discussed in this video, first, you need to go to schoolsolver.com and register yourself. After that, you will look for potential questions that you want to answer with ChatGPT. But remember to filter the question by time and type. Pick a question and go to ChatGPT to answer it. After this, add your answer below the question on School Solver, and when the person who asked the question buys the answer, you will get paid. You can also look for other kinds of questions, for example, biology or C programming, etc. Remember to answer every question with ChatGPT, as it is the most powerful AI that can answer almost every question. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on new videos like this. And while you're at it, why not share this video with your friends and family who might find it helpful or entertaining? By subscribing to Income Booster, you'll be the first to know about any exciting updates or events happening on my channel. Plus, you'll be supporting me in creating more high-quality videos for you to enjoy. So what are you waiting for? Let's keep this conversation going in the comments. I can't wait to hear from you. See you in the next video.